You like this book, Lucy?
Mm-hmm.
You can talk? Strange. You're gonna be like, cow. Cow, let's dance.
Hey, read.
Tricked me. I can't leave you alone. I think I can rip off my own mustache. You deserve this. You deserve this very much. You deserve more. Oh, my goodness. It's floating all over the place. I know, right? Oh, better. What is that? These things need this more than me. Live tadpoles. Live Billy.
Well, I feel guilty now.
I know you do. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Help, help, help. Somebody got everyone.
Yeah, that's right. I told you. You better live. You better agree. Come here. Come here. Oh, you tried to fight me. You want to tussle? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 you wanna come to me? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The end.
Seed.